The issue of waste is one of the defining issues of our age. We're polluting the ocean with plastic, we're filling up landfill, it's absolutely unsustainable. And the design industry, in part, is responsible for this. We've been making the products that we now can't get rid of. In fact, we need to rethink how we use the resources and make less waste.
This project is really meant to inspire people to rethink the way that they design, but also how they use materials, and advocate that we need to go to a circular economy. This is not only starting with really, but it involves the whole community.
I thought it would be nice to create a sort of tapestry for the wall that could be endlessly big or really small and that you can sort of play with. Then I came up with the idea of making a fleece, but that is made of very many separate strings.
In a way, the project is really about revealing hidden graphics within the material. So what we did, we layered 3 boards, one on top of the other, and then by milling in, you're just revealing hidden patterns.
When you get a material like this, you don't really understand why should we have another material. We have already a lot of materials. And now we understand it has a part in the production. If we learn how to tame it, it's like a wild animal right now, and we have to control it.
What we wanted to do with the second edition of Really Circular by Design was look at how designers could explore using the material for furniture and products, both to understand how they can work with the material, but also how they can convey the narrative, the story of the material.
You have to really get to know the material, to know its properties. Because it's a new material, it's a sort of like new field. It's finding the lucky shot within it, within just lots of trial and error. The really material can be completely re-shredded into itself again, actually. So if you want to reuse this, you'd have to take out the magnets, and then this can just easily become new.
The Really board is designed to be very durable, but if and when it comes to the end of its life cycle, it can be ground down again and made into the same board again, so it always retains its value.
There is this transaction between the white and the blue because of the nature of the material, because it's made out of fibers. The way that the white penetrates into the blue and the other way around, the way that the blue penetrates to the white, we thought that there was something really nice and cloudy, and it actually emphasized quite nicely the character of this new material.
It's boards made out of recycled fabric, textile, come from the hospitality industry. So those fibers are holding lots of secrets that we are trying to reveal here.
The Really initiative fits very well in our sustainability strategy. Our textile waste is part of the product. Of course, the cord is made out of textile waste of laundries, but also hotel chains and hospitals. We actually use our cut-offs to create some of the Really boards.
This is a mock-up to show the scale of the different compartments and all the different joints there is. And as you see, this will be a 2-sided bookshelf when it's ready. I like this project because it is quite a straight line from the material through us and into something that is useful.
There's a huge desire at the moment to better understand the story of materials and to trust where they come from and where they're going. And I think really it aims to make that very clear and accountable.